Hello, I am Nakul and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel for more such tech related videos. Also press the bell icon for latest notifications. And today we are gonna talk about Boat Rockers 400. So let's begin. Let's start off with the design and the build. These headphones are made up of plastic and are very light and comfortable. There's cushioning provided on both the ear cups as well as the headband, and the cushion is of soft material and it sits comfortably on your ears. These headphones sits directly on your ears, thus making them on the ear headphones. The ear cups are also adjustable. You can move them sideways as well as pull the levers out to increase the height according to your head size. There's Boat branding on both the ear cups and the headphones look very good and minimal. There are 3 buttons provided on the right ear cup. The center one is for turning on and off the headphone and also to play and pause the song. The other 2 are for decreasing and increasing the volume or to move to next song or the previous song. The buttons are also easily accessible when the headphone rests on your ears. Next to the button is the micro USB charging port, and you can charge the headphones via the USB cable provided inside the box. Next to it is the auxiliary input, and you can convert these headphones into wired headphones via the aux cable also provided inside the box. Next to it is the microphone and the LED indicator, which will indicate the status of the headphones. These headphones come in various color options and finishes, and you can choose according to your preference. Moving on, let's talk about the comfort. These headphones are generally comfortable if you are using them for shorter period of time, but with prolonged period of usage, one might feel discomfort as the ear starts to pain, and also sometimes the ear gets warm due to the rubberized material of the cushion. And for someone with a broader head size, these headphones might feel a little bit too tight due to the higher clamping force of the headphones. But for most of the people, these headphones gives a very good fit and will stay in place even during runs or the workouts. But one thing to notice here is that these are not water resistant. Next, let's talk about the audio quality, which is the most important aspect to consider before buying any headphone. The Boat Rockers 400 has 40mm drivers and the sound quality is very good according to its price. The sound is generally crisp and clear, but at higher levels, the sound seems to distort a bit and it is very difficult to listen at higher levels as the sound is just way too loud. Also, these headphones bleed a lot at higher levels, meaning the person sitting next to you will also be able to hear what is being played. Apart from that, the sound is very well balanced with great instrument separation and well-defined lows and the mids. Also, the bass is very good, it's very punchy and you will enjoy it a lot. The Bluetooth connectivity of these headphones is also very good and you will be able to listen to music sitting far apart from the source but in the same room. Audio quality is very good, but it is totally opposite with the call quality. The calling quality of these headphones is pretty terrible due to the poor quality of microphones used, and the noise cancellation is also pretty average. You can use these headphones for calling only indoors, but it would be a very poor experience for both the parties as the headphones will pick up a lot of background noises and the sound won't be clear. Moving on to the battery life. The battery life of these headphones is very good as they will last you for 8 to 9 hours of wireless streaming, and they take 2 to 2.5 hours to get fully charged. They make a very annoying sound when they are about to die to remind you to charge them. But a good thing is that you can convert them into wired headphones by connecting the aux cable directly to the source and continuing with your work. You can take these headphones on long journeys or on flights, and you can use them in the wired or the wireless mode according to the situation. In conclusion, all I want to say is that these are budget headphones which provide very good audio quality, are very light and comfortable, and the battery life is also very good. I would recommend it to casual audio listeners, but I can't recommend it for calling purposes. These are value for money headphones and will cost you anywhere between 1000 rupees up to 1500 rupees, and you should look for offers and discounts as it doesn't make any sense to buy it at full price. However, there is a newer model in the market, Boat Rockus 450, and the only difference between the two is the Boat Rockus 450 has a slightly better design and slightly improved cushioning quality both in the ear cuffs and the headband. Apart from that, both of the headphones are pretty comparable in terms of sound quality, comfort and battery life. And the Boat Rockus 450 will cost you 1499 rupees, so you can decide accordingly which one of them you like better. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. Also, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest notifications. If you are interested in review of more tech products, please visit my channel. I will also provide the links in the description down below. Please share the video with your friends and family, and also follow me on my social media handles and help me grow there as well. I will link them in the description below. This is Nakul signing off. Goodbye.